It's a dead end.
Oh, come on, Shrek. Who needs a map when you got animal instinct?
Achoo! Oh, darn bugs. Stupid.
Hey, what the?
Uh-oh. Come on, yeah. What are you...
Shrek, a little help here.
Ah, man. What are you...
Oh, I say we take the 10 to 305 and get off of Fairy Tale Falls.
What are you talking about?
Or we can fly there.
Is there an off button on you?
Oh, what's wrong, Princess? You shouldn't be this unhappy until years into the marriage.
It's the happiest day of my life. It's
Oh, let me guess.
just...
You're overwhelmed by love.
No. I mean, yes. But that's not why I...
The shrimp platter was bad?
No, donkey.
Wait, I got it. You always wanted a puppet, but all you got was toast.
No, I'm sitting in an onion. This carriage is one big onion.
Oh, why didn't you say so? I'll turn on the air.
Much better.
Noble steed at your service.
Would you look at that? Donkey! I found a shortcut.
What? Are you crazy?
Jiminy! That's a big one.
Hey, man, I hate spiders. Stop that. Where'd he go?
You are too easy to scare. Come on.
That forest could be hexed or voodoo or anything. I ain't going in there.
Listen, I'm an ogre. I'm the one that does the scaring. What is there to be scared of?